Let's see what I get done in this 30-minute sprint cycle for typographic pairings. So I have a workshop coming out in the fall of 2024 called No Bad Fonts, How to Pick and Pair Fonts at the League of Moveable Type. And now I'm working with basically weight and size and width to explore how I can make the composition more effective. And it looks like I got a little distracted working on another composition for a second, working a little bit on scale play, but I'm going to hop back to the original layout in a second. And I'm working with outlines. I'm thinking through how to create the right level of emphasis in the composition. Right now, we're using just rubato at different weights and sizes and widths. And it looks like I'm trying to work through the composition and use those bars from the first round to kind of give a structure for the entire layout. And it looks like also I decided to add some more geometric shapes to help balance the composition with a secondary layout arrangement. And let's see, as I'm getting through at the very bare minimum, at the very end, let's see what I get and how I produce in the end.